Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a product that has been turning heads and smoothing strands. It's the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Ionic Flat Iron. This isn't just any flat iron. It's often hailed as the best Baby Bliss Pro 2-inch straightener on the market. If you're looking for sleek, shiny, and frizz-free hair, stick around as we explore what makes this tool a must-have for your styling arsenal. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Ionic Flat Iron features an elegant and streamlined design that not only looks good but is engineered for performance. With its 1 3/4-inch plates, this iron allows you to cover more hair in fewer passes, which means less heat exposure and, ultimately, healthier hair. Plus, it's versatile enough to create everything from pin-straight locks to soft, beachy waves. What sets this flat iron apart is its nano titanium technology. This high-tech material distributes heat evenly and quickly, which helps to lock in moisture and shine while protecting your hair from damage. Unlike some other straighteners, it minimizes the risk of overheating in hot spots, making it a great choice for all hair types. Let's talk about how to use it. First, make sure your hair is clean, dry, and free from any products that could cause buildup. Plug in the flat iron and set the temperature according to your hair type. BaBylissPRO allows for a range of heat settings, making it suitable for fine, medium, or coarse hair. I personally recommend starting at a lower temperature and increasing as needed. As you can see, gliding the flat iron through the hair is smooth and effortless. The extra long plates allow you to straighten larger sections of hair, reducing styling time significantly. You can achieve salon-quality results right from the comfort of your own home. One of the standout features of this flat iron is its built-in ion generator. It emits negative ions that help reduce static and frizz, giving you that sleek finish we all desire. You'll notice a remarkable difference, as your hair looks shinier and feels softer after styling. Now, let's address a common question. Is it worth the investment? Priced around $159, it may be on the higher end of the spectrum compared to traditional flat irons. However, considering the quality of the materials, the advanced technology, and the results you can achieve, it truly offers exceptional value for those serious about their hair care routine. And if you're someone who styles your hair regularly, this flat iron can save you time and protect your hair in the long run. Plus, it comes with a 30-day refund or replacement policy, so you can try it out with peace of mind. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or just want to elevate your everyday style, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Ionic Flat Iron is designed to deliver professional results. Its combination of efficiency and innovative technology makes it a standout choice among beauty enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a flat iron that combines performance with cutting-edge technology, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Ionic Flat Iron is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest beauty products. Until next time, happy styling!